Well, we are back in the van. We are still in England, but we are on our way. Well, we've actually pretty much arrived. We're 5 minutes from our campsite in the New Forest to celebrate a very important person's 60th birthday.
You old git.
Absolutely not. Yes, my dad. It is his 60th birthday today, actually, the 12th of May, and we're spending it down in the New Forest because my grandparents live down here, and our campsite is literally 5 minutes from their house. So we've literally just driven past the turn off to their house, and we are going to be going out for dinner this evening with obviously my mum and dad, my older brother and his partner Nikki and their little girl, and my grandparents, and then we'll probably end up going for a walk tomorrow and then just enjoy the weekend with them celebrating his 60th birthday. So I thought I'd document this special occasion, as I did document my mum's 60th birthday back in December, so it's only fair that I just tell you all how old my dad is now as well. But yeah, we'll take you along with us for another lovely camping trip, and hopefully we're bringing the weather with us. My mum gave me strict instructions to bring the weather that we had in France with us, so far so good. There's blue skies, and on the app so far the weather is looking good, so fingers crossed it stays that way. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to the old fart. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, darling.
Hello.
Our time.
What else did you expect?
No, yes, I'd have been disappointed. I suppose. 60 is not old, it's ancient. Dad, as if you are 60. But we still love you. Oh, that's very good. We hope you have the best day. You deserve it. And hopefully these are better than your DIY ones. Lots of love from Charlotte and Carl. No.
I wasn't aware, because I don't watch your YouTube videos all the time.
On you.
Not all of them. I watch some of them, but I don't watch all of them.
I don't watch any of them.
She's never watched a single.
But go and subscribe, everyone. Hanley Plotter's Allotment. They're great. But Carl told me, because Carl is an avid follower of yours.
A loyal follower.
Yes, he's a loyal follower.
I have not. Over my 60 years, I reckon I've got about a 95% hit rate on
Yeah,
YouTube.
you're usually pretty
I
good.
haven't got a clue.
What have you made recently that you showed in a YouTube video that Carl's seen?
Mine is an absolute blank.
Oh, you're not guessing?
He doesn't know.
You know. Yeah.
I told Mum. I told Mum.
Yeah, she did tell me. And I'm glad she did, actually.
Why?
What? No, something nearly happened the other day.
Oh right.
Right, I'm just gonna have to.
You don't have a clue?
Not a clue.
Oh yes. Well done. High five, Carl.
I'm taking you 60 years.
Yeah.
Ah, plant labels.
Yeah.
Genius. Oh, fantastic. Just what I've always wanted. Oh, that's so blimmin' heavy. Gotta squash the plants.
No, they go on the stick. They don't go near the actual plant.
Ah, beans.
Do you need your glasses?
Sweet pea.
There's two on each. They're
know why
wrapped
she's
together.
got yellow?
Side.
Because mine were really.
No, because it'll help her when she has to guess.
Yeah.
Next time you tell me to guess what things are, I'll know.
If I say go and pick a bunch of sweet peas.
I'll know exactly where they are. Yeah.
So these are more of the same.
Yeah, pretty much.
Fantastic.
Yeah, there should
idea.
be two.
see.
I'll bring it down to the gate.
I can see you. Hello. I know, Grandad's seen it. Who's it for?
Where's Andy going to go?
Probably in the garage. Oh my goodness! Look at you! Go on, Dad, get in there.
Come in if you wear a hat.
Where's my hat?
The gate open.
Oh,
Pardon?
Gate's open.
Oh, is it okay?
Happy birthday.
thank you very much. Thank you for my video earlier.
Oh, you got that.
I did watch it, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's clever, isn't it?
Oh, you're
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Cheers.
Cheers.
We've just got back from our walk through the New Forest, and now Carl and my dad are playing with a new toy that my dad got for his birthday from my brother David. A drone. It's a bit above my dad's capability with technology, so Carl has taken over.
Push the joystick up and down. Push the left joystick.
Sounds like they're doing final checks before takeoff.
Pre-flight checks.
Roger that.
Look at these two geeks.
Watch out.
Who's Maverick? Who's Goose?
Watch out for an aviation crash.
That's why I'm standing back. I've got out of my chair. That was in the decapitation range.
Yeah. So this is the transmitter, isn't it?
Oh, either one,
Right.
one, either both.
Yeah, okay, solid.
And that's paired successfully.
It's paired.
However, as long as the compass.
This could take a while.
Long press.
I'll come back.
Just get out of it.
We have movement. Woo! Up! Up! Might need to be a bit higher to get any decent footage, Dad. Right, it's nearly at your head height. Sounds like a serious bee is.
You're down for that. That's impressive.
Can you not get it a bit higher?
I'm thinking of it somewhere in arm's reach.
I don't know why it's moving.
Is it?
Oh!
Should we grab it?
I want to go descending. You should be able to press that.
Now Carl's got control of the control. Look at these two. Boys and their toys. Have you seen that other aircraft up there? Don't think they'll get it that high, but you know. Kim, look. Yeah, he's loving his life. You're not going to get this back now, Dad. Yeah, Carl's got full control. Cheer him. Hang on, wait there. Definitely go and give Hanley Plotter's Allotment YouTube channel a subscribe, because I think his intros are about to get a bit better if he can get the hang of this without Carl's help. It's a couple of days later now. We've been home. It's Tuesday. We've been home since Sunday, haven't we? From our weekend in the New Forest. All sorted, and we had a really lovely weekend. I didn't film on the Saturday evening because we basically went round to my grandma and granddad's house. We had fish and chips and just chilled with them for a bit, and then came back to the campsite, chilled at my mum and dad's caravan for a bit, and then obviously we got up on Sunday morning and basically came home. But this morning we've had another midwife appointment, which has gone really well. Baby boy still doing very well. He actually, so on our last midwife appointment 4 weeks ago, he was measuring on the larger side, whereas he's more average now. But the midwife did say that that measurement isn't 100% accurate, but it's just to check that he's growing as he should. So hopefully when we have our next one in just 3 weeks now, they're definitely getting more frequent. It shows that he's staying on that average line. He's not dropping below it, because obviously if he is, then it shows that he's not growing like he should. So fingers crossed he stays on that line now and doesn't drop below it. But his heart rate was very strong. My blood pressure and everything was fine. They took my bloods again this morning to check for my iron levels, but because I'm not feeling overly tired or anything like that, she says they're probably fine. So yeah, it's exciting because our next one's 3 weeks. The one after that will be 3 weeks, and then it's every 2 weeks. So I am officially in my 3rd trimester on Thursday. So when you're watching this, I will be in my 3rd trimester, which is crazy, isn't it? Carl's just here. But he's working, so he doesn't want to be on camera. We're just working from home today because obviously he had to come to my midwife appointment with me this morning. So yeah, all positive things. That is our last trip now away that we have planned before baby arrives. So now it's time to get in full baby mode, nesting mode, organising. We've actually already started organising. We had a bit of a organised session yesterday and have literally got rid of like 3 bin bags full of stuff, even though we're quite organised anyway, I think, and we have regular sort outs. It's still amazing when you really set your mind to it how much stuff you realise you don't need. We sold a couple of items of furniture, my dressing table that I don't really use in my bedroom, and the little ottoman puffy thing. That's gone. That went last night. Sold that on Facebook Marketplace. Ready for room for baby stuff. So yeah. But this weekend I've got a really exciting weekend. Carl is going back to work today to camp. And then this weekend I'm spending it with my mum because we've got a spa day on Friday, and then we'll probably do a little bit of baby shopping whilst I'm there, which I'm really looking forward to. So yeah, last few months now, and it's going to be exciting, isn't it? Getting ready for him.
Come around quick.
It's going to come around really. It's coming around really quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, the midwife was very happy with my progress and how it's all going and how he's going, so yeah. I'll leave this video here though. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As usual, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff if you liked it, and if you'd like to stick around for more. I hope you have a lovely week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.